Bodhaya Vidyaniketan.
Good morning everyone, Suprabhatam, Namaste. So today we are going to sing a song for human body parts. Yes, human body parts in Hindi. So we are going to learn how do we communicate with our body in Hindi. Yes, like what do we call hands in Hindi? Hands, hair, eyebrows, nose, ears in Hindi. Yes, so what we are going to learn? We are going to learn that how do we talk, how our body parts are called in Hindi. Yes, very interesting. So let's begin with the song.
सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। चलो अब आराम से गाते हैं। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। छुओ अपना पेट, छुओ अपने पैर, छुओ अपनी कोहनी, छुओ अपने गाल, छुओ अपने हाथ। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। छुओ अपनी पिंडली, छुओ अपनी टखनी, छुओ अपनी थोड़ी, छुओ अपने हाथ। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। चलो अब तेज से गाते हैं। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। कंधे, घुटने, पैर और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। थोड़ा और तेज। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर।
सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक। सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर। So, sir. So what do we do with sir? Sometimes when we do namaste, we do like this. Sir, that's my sir. Sir, right? And sir, कंधे, घुटने, पैर, कंधे, कंधे, कंधे. What do you do by कंधे? That's my कंधे. That's my sir. That's kandhe. With the help of kandhe, I'm able to lift heavy objects like heavy flower pots. I'm able to carry my school bag on my kandhe like this. I'm able to go in school carrying a school bag like this on my kandhe. That's right. Kandhe. Sir. कंधे, घुटने. Yes, घुटने. With the help of घुटने, I'm able to do yoga. Right? I'm able to do yoga. I'm able to do many physical activities. I'm able to run because I have घुटने. Right? I'm able to go to school. I'm able to go to grocery shop because I have घुटने. Right? Okay? सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर, घुटने. घुटने. I walk with my घुटने. I do work with my घुटने. I dance with घुटने. I do yoga with घुटने. Right? Without घुटने, I cannot do yoga. With घुटने, I'm able to do all the physical activities. Right? I sit with my घुटने. Right? Like, I sit with my घुटने. With the help of घुटने, I am able to sit down. Right? सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर. Pair. What is pair? Pair is a feet. Feet, yes, it's a feet. When you walk, when you go and get some vegetables, you go by your feet, right? So when you walk down with your feet, in Hindi, what do we call feet? Pair. Yes. So how do you go by pair? What is pair? Pair is a feet. How do you go to school? Sometimes you go by a bus and sometimes you walk. If you have a house close by school, yes, or you go by your feet to play with your friends or to buy a grocery with your mom and dad. How do you go? Tick, 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 tick. How do you go? By pair. By feet. By pair. सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर.
और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक.
सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर. Because I have eyes, I'm able to see the world. I'm able to see these pretty flowers. Because I have eyes, I'm able to read a book. I'm able to read a book because I can see. And because I can see, I can read the book. Because what do we call eyes? आँख. सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर. सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक. सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर. आँख. What is आँख? I can see you. You're watching me right now. I can see, you can see this book. Aankh. When you're able to see, it's eyes. When you can see these lovely flowers, how do you see? How do you see these flowers? By aankh. By aankh. Yes. You can see these flowers with the gift of these lovely eyes. Aankh. With these lovely aankh, you can see the flowers, you can see the book, you can read the book. Aankh और कान. What happens with कान? How does कान help us in our human body? What is the purpose of कान? I am gonna play a very nice song for you so that you know the purpose of these. What does it do? So I can hear the music. I can hear the music when I have कान. Yes. I can hear the music when you can hear me right now. How do you hear it? With the help of कान. Yes. आँख और कान और मुंह. How does मुंह help us? Because we have मुंह, we are so tasty. We are able to eat. We are able to eat what we want to eat. We are able to taste it because we have muh. Because I have muh, I'm able to speak up with you. Muh. Yes, it's called muh. आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक. What does naak do? I can I can smell. It's tomato. I can smell the fragrance of flowers. It's so lovely. It smells so good because I have nose. When I get cold, I get to know I have cold because I have running nose. When the food is delicious, I can smell it. The food smells so delicious today, right? When you like the food, that's what you say it. So when you have what do you call this? नाक. नाक. आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक. My hands. My hands. What does my hands do? Because I have my hands, I have my right strengthful hands, I can write because of my hands. I can write it down because I have hands. What are these? Haath. Yes. Haath. 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 Because I have haath, I can write the things down. I can mark the things down. I can write it down because I have haath. With the help of my haath, with my hands, haath we call it in Hindi, with the help of my hand, I can eat this tomato. With the help of my hand, I can listen the song. With the help of my haath, I can I can take this air, I can wave myself this air. Yes, with the help of my hand, I can fix the position of the pillow. With the help of my hand, with the help of haath, I can carry the school bag. I can carry the school bag with the help of my haath. And my kandha. My kandha takes the support of the bag. I can read the newspaper with the help of my haath. I can tell story, tell how I am good, I am bad, right? With the help of my haath. I can tell you hello with the help of my haath. I can see you with the help of my aankh. I can smell how's the weather, how's the food with the help of my naak. I can eat food with the help of my muh. I can speak what I'm speaking right now with the help of my muh. I can listen you. I can listen the song. I can listen the chirps of the birds with the help of my kaan. I can lift things with the help of my kandha. With the help of my kandha. With the help of my kandha. I can sleep with the help of my sir. I am able to sleep. I am able to express myself with the help of my sir. With my sir, I say yes, I say no. How do I say? I use my muh and my sir. Yes, right? So, I'm able to do physical activities with the help of my ghutna. Yes, I do yoga. I lift things, I walk to school, I go to grocery shop with help of my ghutne. With my ghutne, I go and I walk to school, I walk to school, I walk to the grocery shop, I play with my friends with the help of my pair. Yes, so that's how your body parts play a role in your daily activities. And this is how we call human body parts in Hindi. Hello, my name is Pratisha. Hello, please say hello to me. Hello, I'm going to sing a song for you. Hello, see how she's waving her hand. Hello, hello, hello. So, Pratisha is going to sing a song for you. I'm going to sing a song for you, a body song. I'm going to define my body parts in Hindi. Okay? So Pratisha is asking you to sing a song with her. सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर. सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर और आँख और कान और मुंह और नाक. सिर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर. I'm very happy after meeting you. I hope you enjoyed my human body parts song. Please be safe and healthy at home. Bye bye. Tarara. I hope you enjoyed the human body parts song. I would like you to practice with yourself, communicate with yourself. Like, what do you call, how do you see the world? With aankh. How do you smell the food? With naak. How do you speak? With muh. How do you hear? With kaan. How do you lift things? With kandha. How do you do yoga and physical activities? Ghutne. How do you walk? How do you play? With pair. Yes. Have a nice day.
Vidya